Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add friends in Line application. To do that, you need to first open the Line application. Make sure to sign up in Line account. When you reach on the home screen of Line account, here is already an option that says tap on it, and from here you can easily add your friends, or else if that option hasn't been directly given, then on the upper right corner next to the gear icon, you can see the Add Friends icon. Tap on it and you'll get access on the same page. On this page, you can tap on Invite button, which is at the top left corner. Tap on it and you can invite your friends by text message, email, or any other application that will send the link of your Line account and they can join you through or via link, or else you can also add your friends through QR code, or else you can also tap on search button and enter the phone number or ID. If you have the ID of your friends, then you can search the friend's ID here, or else if you have the phone number, then you can tap on phone number next to the ID and enter your friend's number and add from there also. You can also tap on allow button to auto add friends. This will auto add the contacts as friends. When you tap on allow button, you need to allow Line to access your contacts, so tap on allow button. So to do that, you must register your phone number to automatically add friends from your device contact. If you want to register it now, you can tap on register number button. You can enter the phone number here and easily auto add friends on Line application. So this is how you add friends on Line account. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.